Hey friend, it is getting so cold out there. Come on into the kitchen today. I am going to be baking a yummy comfort breakfast sausage loaf. It is so good. Step into the kitchen with me. Well, welcome back to the channel. This is Lauren here with Rustic Honey, and today I thought I'd share with you a really simple but very much a comfort breakfast that my family loves. It's so simple to throw together, quick and easy, and delicious, quite savory and addicting, if we'll be honest. But I don't know about you, these cozy or these cold winter days make me want to get cozy in the kitchen and have really hearty meals that are just, like they say, rib stickers. And this is one of those that is sure to please a crowd and your family is going to love. Okay, this recipe is so simple. There's only a few ingredients. First, you're just going to brown your sausage and drain the excess fat. And then you add in a block of cream cheese. I know it doesn't look the greatest as it's coming together, and I'm sure it's not the greatest video, but I promise you it is delicious, so stick with me. You're gonna grab a large French loaf. I actually was lucky enough to just grab one at Walmart for 70 cents. I mean, I know for that price, I could not even make one at home. So grab it when they're on sale. Toss them in the freezer. I like to do that if they're on sale, grab a couple. But you're going to slice it lengthwise. I love to throw it on a baking sheet with parchment paper so that we can get as cheesy as we want, as messy as we want, and no one's responsible for dishes on a Sunday morning. So I then throw on the cream cheese and sausage mixture and spread it evenly over the large loaf. And then we're going to top it off with more cheese because why would you not add more cheese? So we're going to add some mozzarella. That's what I always have on hand because I'm a pizza fanatic. Love to have homemade pizza, but use whatever cheese you have on hand. I think a provolone would be great as well with sausage and maybe even a Swiss cheese. So do what you got, do what you like, maybe a pepper jack. You can't go wrong, but please freshly grated cheese because it melts so gloriously. I mean, if you have to buy the regular grated cheese, I'm not going to turn my nose up to that, but there is just something so good about freshly grated cheese and how it melts and how it tastes. It's fresh. So anyway, it's worth the extra time spent on this, and it actually costs less money too if you buy it in bulk like I do. Cheese lovers unite. Let me know in the comments. All right, so from here we have our loaf ready to go. It's got the sausage and cream cheese mixture that I'm just gonna spread out. Sometimes it gets a little full. And then I'm just gonna add some extra toppings here. And you could get creative with this. There's lots of variations that you could make for this loaf. But for breakfast, I'm gonna do some thinly sliced deli ham that I needed to use up. Was a great addition, a little extra protein, and then of course the cheese. So throw that on top. And I wanted to mention too, I did not season our breakfast sausage because it was some that we had actually made ourselves. So I put in the seasonings I wanted ahead of time. But if you have some from the store that you want to throw some extra seasonings in, I think that would be a great way to jazz it up too. Now we wait and we dance because you got 15 minutes. Why wouldn't you? You know, they say you should like clean as you go, but really dancing's much better. Ooh, look at that melty cheese. Anyway, this bakes for about 12 to 15 minutes depending on how crusty you want your bread. Slice it up, warm, serve it hot. It's going to be a family pleaser, I tell you. This is also a great make-ahead dish. You could freeze the individual sandwiches later on, and I will be sure to share all of that information on my blog as well. If you want the full details or a printable recipe, you can head to rustichoney.com. But I hope you guys enjoyed this comfort breakfast food. I hope you make it soon. Let me know in the comments below, and I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel so I can share more cheesy, melty goodness with you later on this winter. Have a great weekend, guys.